Northern Paiute, Nuit Dadawan, language class, lesson 37. Going to be talking about demonstrative pronouns, determiners, fancy language. But we have to remember that in Nima, there are no feminine or masculine pronouns such as he, him, her, and she. They're not there. And so it makes a little bit of conflict translating our English into Nima. So the use of demonstrative pronouns is essential to maintain descriptive discourse in the language. A demonstrative pronoun acts as a pronoun without specific regard to what the pronoun is. For example, instead of saying him or her, the person is described as this one, that one right there, or that one over there, without indication of what the subject or the one in question is. So instead of he, she, her, we just say that one, this one. This, that person, which can also be translated to this or that thing, this or that object, this or that creature. But it kind of breaks down as mean this one, that one, or it. A determiner is simply a word that introduces a noun. It always comes before a noun, not after. And it also comes before any other adjectives used to describe the noun. For example, like we're talking about this one, that one, etc. So we'd say this house. So it's determining the thing in question is a house, this house, or that woman. It's the order, like that is a woman, that person. Hopefully it'll make more sense as we go through examples. But in many instances, there are three levels of distance in Nima Yarwan, also pronounced Nima Darwan. The thing close to the speaker, the thing farthest away from the speaker, and the thing in between. So three levels of distance. Many nouns, adverbs, and adjectives change depending on the distance from the speaker. So it's from the one that's talking. So Ishu, this guy right here, he's the speaker. Suyarwade. And so in the distance from him, there's this one, which is close by him, which we use for Ishu. And the next distance away from him, that one right there, which we say Masu. And then we have the third distance away, which is that one over there, which we say Usu. Ishu, Masu, Usu. This one right here, that one right there, that one over there. Ishu, Masu, Usu. And this is how we identify different subject nouns through Paiute demonstratives, which combine visible nouns with distance. This, that. Ishu, Masu, Usu. So like if you were in a forest, I'd say Usu Parwa'a, way over there. Ishu Tivodza. Ishu Paraki. Ishu Haunisab Yonadziba or Muhutse. Look like a little porcupine, but I think it's a hedgehog. Paru hedgehogs in Nimurip. And Ishuana Punaz. Masu Wani. Masu Tohakam. Usu Idza'a or Isha. Usu Ikwe Atsaban. So like if we were talking here, everything close to you would be Ishu. Things in the middle would be Masu. And things farthest away would be Usu. So Ishu, this one thing or person right here. Masu, that one thing or person right there. Usu, that one thing or person over there. So it could be a he, it could be a she, it could be an animal, it could be a bird, it could be a human, whatever. It's very vague, but it's just identifying by distance. Usu, however, is generally used in regard to a person, but not always. Grammatically, these are subject demonstratives and identifiers, not object. So in our sentence order, subject, object, verb, these will always be in the subject, not in the object. We'll go over that more later in lessons to come. Simple questions to remember. He means what, as in reference to a physical object. So when we say he ishu, it means what is this? He masu means what is that? He usu means what is that farther over there. So ishu nana, from this man, he's the speaker. He's asking you, he ishu, what is this? Does he mean this area here, or this area here? He ishu wijipuk, because ishu means the area closest to him. And so the man asks, he masu. So which one of these distances reflect masu? It's the middle one. Masu no yoare. Yeshisunana, he asks, he usu. And usu is the farthest away. Ishu, masu, usu. Okay. Usu, kuitna'a. Ishu, wijipuk. Masu, no yoare. Usu, kuitna'a. Yeshisumogotne. So the lady's asking now, he usu. What is that over there? Oh, usu, kumeba. So she asks again, he ishu. Oh, that's this thing. Ishu giri. Yeshisu mogotni. She asks again, he masu. Masu would be the second distance. Tuhidda. Masu tuhidda. So ishu giri. Masu tuhidda. Usu kumiba. A person may simply respond with one-word answers. When you're asked, what is this? You could just say, cat. You don't have to say, ishu giri. You could just say, giri. Same to say, he ishu giri. There we go. Ways to show no emphasis or extreme emphasis. So I could just say, giri, a cat, giri. I could say, ishu giri. This is a cat. Or I could say, ishudia giri. Ishudia giri. Ishudia giri means this is assuredly a cat. It's just more emphasis versus no emphasis. Giri. Ishugiri. Ishudia giri. Haga. Haga means who in the subject sense. Haga ishu. Haga ishu. Who is this? Haga masu. Haga masu. Who is that one right there? Haga usu. Haga usu. Who is that one over there? So here's the speaker, and he's going to ask Haga ishu, Haga masu, Haga usu. So first one, Haga masu. Haga masu. Ding, ding, ding. Masu, Sally. Okay, yes, again. Haga usu. Haga usu. Usu is over here. Usu wanda. Yes, Haga ishu. Haga ishu. Oh, here's the ishu right here. Ishu Marge. So we could also answer with Ishu Marge minanir. Ishu Marge minanir. This one is called Marge. Masu Sally minanir. Masu Sally minanir. That one is called Sally. Number 3, Usu Wanda minanir. Usu Wanda minanir. That one is called Wanda. Ishu March minanir. Masu Sally minanir. Usu Wanda minanir. Tugi. Yes, Ishu Mogotni Suyaruare. So she's the speaker now. Haga Ishu. Haga Ishu. Ishu Nana. One minanir. Or Ishu one minanir. She asks, Haga Masu. Haga Masu. Haga Masu. Masu Jack minanir. Then she asks, Haga Usu. Haga usu. Usu Charles minaniare. So she could say Ishu 1 minaniar, like we did. Masu Jack minaniar. Usubano o Charles minaniar. And that one over there is Charles. Ishu 1 minaniar. Masu Jack minaniar. Usubano o Charles minaniar. Let's do a little more practice. Okay, Ishu mogotni suyaruade. The woman is doing the talking here. So we have Ishu, Masu, Usu. He Ishu. He Ishu. Which one of these is Ishu? This one is Ishu Parua. Ishu Parua. Now she asks, he Usu. He Usu. Which one is Usu? This one is Usu. Usu Pagutsu. 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 And she asks, he Masu. He Masu. Masu is this one right here. Oh, Masu Idza'a. Masu Idza'a. That is a coyote. So Ishu Parua'a. Masu Idza'a. Usuvano'o Pagutsu. Pagutsu. Yeshisunana. He says, Haga Ishu. Ishu Mike Minaniar. Haga Usu. Usu Jud Minaniar. Haga Masu. Masu Jane minaniere. Okay, the speaker could introduce all as Ishu Mike minaniere, Masu Jane minaniere, Usuvano Ojad minaniere. Okay, to further use Ishu, Masu, and Usu as identifiers, the speaker may insert gender and age categories. Like instead of just saying this, we could say this man, that woman, that man, etc. And you could even use old man, old woman, however you decide. So, like Ishu Nana, Mike minanier. Ishu Nana, Mike minanier. This man, so it's identifying the noun. This man is named Mike, called Mike. Masu Mogotni, Jane minanier. That woman, Jane minanier. Usunana bono or usunana jud minanir. That man. So that's how we're using them as identifiers. Ishunana Mike minanir. Masu mogotni Jane minanir. Masu purinana or usu purinana jud minanir. Other examples. Number 4. Usu tubidzotni. Usu tubidzotni means that old woman. It's being used as an identifier. 5. Masu wa'itz. Masu wa'itz. That old man right there. 6. Ishu surim. Ishu surim. This young woman. 7. Masunatze. Masunatze. That boy right there. Number 8. Ishu tuibitz. Ishu tuibitz. This young man right here. 9. Usupiawabi. Usupiawabi. That older lady over there. 10. Masu tse'a. Masu tse'a. That girl right there. Usu unigwaitz. Usu unigwaitz. That real old man over there. So remember, there's more in here than just saying this. It means this one right here. Usu, that one over there. Masu, that one right there. Tugityo. End of lesson 37.